This video is going to be about making titles in Premiere Pro. When you are editing, typically you're in editing mode, so I'm going to just click on editing mode to switch back to that mode. And so I can do things like scrub through this sequence, and again, this isn't the last time working, but let's say I'm here and I click titles, so I want to switch over to titles. So I'll get this pop-up window that will show up and then disappear, and when it's gone, then my title tab is actually here next to the program tab. So I click on the title tab to open that, and then I can click on the new title button, which is here in the top left, and I'll give my title a name. I'll call it Practice New, and everything else should be the same. It's going to have the same height and width settings as my project already has. So I'll just go ahead and click OK, and this is where I get the new title that I can actually create. Over here on the right hand side, I've got title styles, title properties, and I can click on the heading here and close that, and here I have title tools. So I want to be on my type tool, and I can just go ahead and type in a new title for this video. Now I don't like the way this looks. I don't like the font. I don't like the size and maybe the color. So I can select this title and change those things. I have a list of fonts here. I can also find fonts in title properties. Let's say I just want to change it here to this one. I can make it faux bold. These are faux options here. If I have a bold option, it'll be here. So I can make it actually bold, and the difference is negligible. There's not really any reason to choose one over the other. Here I can use my selection tool to move this title where I want it to be, and I can choose title styles and choose some of these pre-made styles. So if I click on a pre-made title, I can see how those look, and I can scroll through here and find something that suits what I'm doing. And when you figure out what you want for this, and I don't actually care for that, but when you figure out what you want, how you want it to look, I'm going to go ahead and back to title tools just to make sure I have my arrow tool, and I'm going to move this to recenter it on the page. Then when I'm finished, it shows up over here in my project window as any other video clip would, or still image clip would in this case. So when I want to bring this into my project, all I have to do is drag it into my project. So if I put it, I'm going to put it over this clip just to show you how that's going to look. Put it here. There we go. It shows up as a new title here, and it has the image behind it. If I put it back here at the end, then it will show up just with the black background. That's really all there is to creating a new title. You've got styles, you have properties, you can change all these settings individually. Opacity you can change if you want, and you can scroll through here and look at all these different settings because there are quite a few of them. And then you have these title tools that you can use to get your titles set the way you want. You can set them to an angle. You can see here the angled titles, and do lots of different things with them. And you have title actions. So if you wanted to center this title, let me go back to title. So if I want to center that in the page, I can center that vertically or horizontally. And that's all there is to it.